Now create another by pressing K, Z, press V for normal view. Create a rectangle. Give a dimension here, 12, 25, and one is midpoint of this. So midpoint, first select this one and this one. Okay, then come out of this. Both way. 35. Now round. Okay, this is for round. I'm going to create a round for this. Then it will look like this. Control Z, chamfer. If I do chamfer, then it will look like this. Control Z, extrude edge. Then we can extrude edge here. At this time it is both sides, that's why it is showing both sides. Control Z. Now if I want to copy edge, then I can copy edge anywhere. So now this has been splitted in two faces, you can see. Control Z. Now what I have to do, click. This is pivot edge. So if I making downside, then it will shift accordingly. That's it.